Total Wireless, now owned by Verizon, primarily focuses on providing service within the United States. Data roaming within the United States is generally supported and works on Verizon's network. However, international roaming is not officially offered by Total Wireless. If Total Wireless roaming isn't working, first identify if you are in the United States or abroad. Ensure data roaming is enabled in your phone's settings. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then enable roaming. On iOS devices, enable it through cellular data options and data roaming. If you're traveling abroad, you'll need alternative solutions like Wi-Fi calling or purchasing a local SIM card from another provider. If you are in the United States, continue to the next section for troubleshooting domestic roaming issues. If you're in the US and data roaming isn't working, the most common cause is an incorrect APN configuration. Manually check and reset your APN settings. Go to Settings, then Mobile Network, then Access Point Names. You'll need to add or edit the APN, ensuring the name is Total Wireless and the APN is Total Wireless or VZ Winternet. Also, make sure your network mode is set to LTE 5G only. If problems persist, try updating your Total Wireless app, clearing its cache, or contacting Total Wireless support at 1-800-631-5816. As a last resort, a SIM swap at a Total Wireless store might be necessary.